Could this rare bird be the island's best kept secret? Among Saint Lucia's rich wildlife is the Saint Lucian Thrasher, a species that is quite unique and endemic to Saint Lucia. Pius Haynes, Assistant Chief Forest Officer, emphasized that while Saint Lucians are often focused on the island's snake population, there is much more to appreciate in its biodiversity. The thrasher has been identified as a distinct species unique to Saint Lucia, enriching the island's ecological profile.
Saint Lucia has one of the highest levels of endemic plant and animal species, especially with regards to our birds and our reptiles. So whilst we have 132 indigenous species of birds, 7 of those birds are referred to as endemic, meaning these are birds that you'll find only in Saint Lucia. Also, we have a number of indigenous reptiles. We have 13 indigenous reptiles, and amongst them, we have another 7 that are endemic to the island.
According to Haynes, these birds are most commonly found between the Poale and Dennery River areas where their populations thrive.
As it relates to birds, if you look at this portrait here, okay, this poster here, you will see one of our beautiful birds. It has a white chest, white plumage at the chest area, and also the back has a nice blackish color. And this here is referred to as the Saint Lucia Thrasher. And this Saint Lucia Thrasher bird was newly recognized as a species unique to Saint Lucia. Now those birds can only be found, they are only found between the Poale and the Dennery River. So between Poale and DCG and Le Paradis and Bordelais, these are the areas where you'll find those birds. That is the core habitat for those birds. About 80% of those birds is found in the regions down there in the Dennery Poale area.
However, Haynes drew attention to the idea that the natural habitat of the Saint Lucia Thrasher is under increasing threat due to environmental changes and human activities. In response to these, he says the Forestry Department remains committed to deliberate and intensive conservation efforts to ensure that this beautiful bird species does not face extinction.
This bird species here is a very beautiful bird species. However, its habitat is under attack. It is almost at the brink of extinction. And so we as a people, we as a forestry department, there is need for us to immerse ourselves in intense, deliberate conservation activities so that we could help secure the habitat and the ecosystem of these birds, and we could also help bring back their numbers from the brink of extinction.
For Choice News Now, I am Kishana Smith.